Guys, welcome to Cooking with Esther, and in today's video we are going to make instant mango ice cream, and I hope that you will surely like this. And this is a natural ice cream, so watch it, make it and enjoy with your family. And the ingredients that we needed are whipped cream, condensed milk or milkmaid, chopped mango. We have to make a puree of it, but remove a little bit of mangoes on a side. Take a cold bowl. We kept it into the freezer. Now add the whipped cream into it. We have to beat this icing, okay? Beat it with the help of a beater. Add this little bit of mango into the mixer and then grind it and make a puree. So our mango pulp is ready, guys. But still keep beating it nicely, guys. And now it's time to add the condensed milk into this beaten icing, whipped cream. Mix it nicely. And now it's time to add the mango pulp into it. See this now, guys, how nice it's looking. Keep mixing it. Now see this after some time, guys, and we are adding yellow color into it. It's optional. If you want to add, you can add, and if you don't want to add, you don't add. So see, our ice cream is ready. Now we have to add it into a container, airtight container. Add this into an airtight container now. It's time to add these mangoes which we removed on a side firstly. So there are 2 containers of ice cream. We have made it. Make it fully flat. We have made it flat with the help of this spatula. And now it's time to keep it into the freezer overnight. Put the lid and keep it. Let's meet after it gets fully freeze. So guys, after overnight we are going to open it now. It's got fully freezed. Wow, it's fully freezed, guys. See both these. Okay, so now we have to serve it with the help of a scoop or a spoon. It's looking so amazing, guys, and it's fully freezed. Spread some toppings upon it. And now also spread this chocolate syrup. So guys, I hope that you like this recipe. So instant ice cream we have made it, and it's too yummy also. I just love eating this ice cream. And we have also beaten it only one time, and it's ready. I hope that you enjoyed with this recipe. Please do hit to the like button, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to smash the bell icon so that you will get all our notifications. Thanks for watching, guys.